Setup for YouTube channel. Setting up a successful YouTube channel involves several key steps to ensure you create engaging content, build a loyal audience, and make your channel visually appealing. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Define your niche. Choose a specific topic or theme for your channel that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will help you attract a targeted audience and stand out from the competition. Research your target audience. Understand who your potential viewers are and what type of content they are interested in. Conduct market research and look at other successful channels in your niche to get insights into what works well. Create a channel plan. Develop a content strategy that outlines the type of videos you'll create, the frequency of uploads, and your long-term goals for the channel. Consistency is key to building a loyal audience. Choose a channel name and branding. Select a name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Create a visually appealing channel banner, logo, and thumbnail templates to maintain a consistent brand image across your videos. Set up your YouTube channel. Sign into YouTube with a Google account and click on your profile picture to access YouTube Studio. From there, follow the steps to create your channel. Optimize your channel's About section. Write an engaging and concise channel description that explains what your channel is about and why viewers should subscribe. Include relevant keywords to improve discoverability. Plan your content. Prepare a list of video ideas and plan your content schedule in advance. Invest in quality equipment. While you can start with basic equipment, as your channel grows, consider investing in a good camera, microphone, and video editing software. Create and upload your first videos. Start producing content and uploading videos to your channel. Optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel. Promote your channel, share your videos on social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers. Analyze and improve. Regularly review your video analytics to understand what content performs well.